Okay, so today we're going to be reducing the Freon compressor down to just a pulley because the car doesn't need air conditioning, there is no body. So we've pulled the belt off and you pull the electricity off, and then there's 3 bolts that hold it in place. So you undo the 3 bolts. On the front of it, normally this little bolt isn't broken off, but mine was, well, it broke off. It didn't want to undo. This is a magnetic clutch, so it slides on and off once this bolt is no longer holding it in place. So you take off that, and in behind here we have an O-ring. Not that you can see it through that grime. There we go. So we got that off. And that takes the pulley off. And I see it's got a ball bearing in there. Okay, so this is all off. Now this must be part of the magnetic clutch. And it needs to be removed. Finally. Okay, that thing was hard to get out of there. Yeah, got the inner circlip out of there. I guess it's best shown against a white surface. So 3 O-rings. And then the magnetic piece comes off. Yeah, look at that. The back plate came off. And in here we find the 6 pistons. Wow. I need you to stabilize and put a knife in this side, hang on to the object. Hang on to it. I'm going to try and jab this in here. There we go. Now we got it, finally. Ooh, baby. Well, there's supposed to be a whole bunch of oil in here. There's all the pistons. Look at this funky thing. Man. There we go. Pistons with ball bearings. Okay. Ooh, I got a thrust washer there I dumped in there. Here's another thrust washer here. Okay, you can clean up. Thank you, Ian. I don't think I could have done that without you. This thing is 129 ounces when it was fully assembled with all the stuff in it, and now it's down to 49. So it's a saving of 80 ounces, which is 5 pounds. This thing's 5 pounds lighter without the guts in it. I did leave the inner bearing in there. I just couldn't get it out. I tried. I got rid of the seal, but I couldn't get rid of the bearing. But it doesn't really matter. Basically, when the electric clutch engaged, it would take the power from the pulley and run it down a center shaft in here and run the pistons. But now it was It's just going to sit on the outer race of this, and that's all it ever has. There was one bearing holding the pulley, and we'll put it back together that same way. This can here, I didn't like the fact this was open. I live on a dirt road. It's going to collect dirt in here while I drive down the road. So I'm going to take this tin can, happens to be the right size. I'm going to cut her off short. Okay, so she's back from paint. We silicone shut the center. I silicone shut the drain out of the bottom. So basically the back is a tin can completely sealed in. All 6 holes are sealed. So no water can get inside this thing, no gravel and rocks. Should ride fairly well. We're going to put her back together. There we go. She snapped in. Okay. So this thing belongs in here. Drain is down. Finally, got it. Cute little tin can, freed up a bit of space in here, dropped 5 pounds, solid as ever. Plug her back in, I'm good to go.